Okay, right. So in yesterday class, we have chance to understand how to create one shared dashboard and how to create some three reports we created called as R1, R2, R3 report, and R1, R2 integrate into the page 1 of the dashboard. R3 report we placed in the page 2 of the dashboard. Then we created one dashboard prompt. The dashboard prompt we integrate into the dashboard. Then we understand how the relationship between report and dashboard prompt is driving. The driving parameter is here is prompted is the driving parameter. Because the report level we selected is prompted, that is the reason it's accepting. Dashboard prompt values it is accepting. Dashboard prompt values it is accepting. Even on the way we have chance to understand what you mean by protected filter. What you mean by protected filter, that also we have chance to understand it. Now yesterday I given two exercises also for you people. I hope you have some experience on that one, right? You tried for that one, right? I hope some people are still trying. Today also I am giving time for that one. Try that one. You have to get that. Okay. Think all the possible ways. Right. Now let us move on to the next chapter today. That is called as Dashboard Objects chapter. Dashboard Objects chapter. Right. These dashboard objects are nothing but, if you go and see your dashboard, let us say I am going to your dashboard, B198 RRI Tech dashboard. Then click on Edit Dashboard. Then you can observe here I have some objects are available. These objects are known as dashboard objects. This sorry. I don't want that. So he's saying he's talking about the yesterday exercise. Whenever I select the report 1, I want report 1. Whenever I select the report 2, then I want report 2, right? He tried with the action link menu. But action link menu appearance and drop down of the dashboard prompt appearance is different. I don't want action link menu. Without using action link menu only, I want to get that one. I want using the prompt only, I want to get it. Okay, right. Now, today we are about to learn dashboard objects. We are going to learn. In the dashboard objects are divided into, these are the types of dashboard objects. It is dividing. If you go and see in OBW10G, we need to have, apart from this in this one, alert section whatever available, and action link whatever available, action link menu whatever available. These things are 11G new feature. These things are 11G new features. That is one point. In 10G we have two things. One is called as guided navigation. Second one is called as guided navigation. Second one is called as BAP dashboard object is available. Okay, BA publisher dashboard object is available. These two things they removed. in 11G. These two things they removed in 11G, and they introduced other things they introduced. The guided navigation equivalent thing they introduced here, one thing that is called as what's a condition. Whatever guided navigation is doing the job, same job is going to do here by condition. And BA publisher report is not required. Why? Because BA publisher reports also part of our catalog. In case of OBW10G, BA publisher reports are not used to store in the catalog. Separately, it is to store in the XMLP folder. Okay. In case of 11G, BA publisher reports also storing in the web catalog only. That is the reason there is no need or necessity for the BA publisher dashboard objects. So these two things are removed. So what are the things removed from the 10G to 11G, sir? One is guided navigation. Second is BA publisher object. Even though that is removed, whatever functionalities we are doing in 10G, same thing we are able to do it. In 10G, whatever guided navigation is available, they remove that one. In place of that one, what is introduced? Condition is introduced. Okay, in 10G, BA publisher dashboard object they removed, but however, the reports of the BA publisher things are storing in the catalog only. As it is storing in the catalog, simply I can go ahead and I can drag and drop it wherever I want. Okay, in case of 10G, BA published reports are not used to appear in the catalog, not used to appear in the catalog. Okay, that point is very clear. What are the things are removed? What are things are newly introduced? Newly introduced are what's alert section, action link menu. These are the newly introduced things. Alert section, action link menu are newly introduced things. Now, I would like to understand one by one. First one is available that is called as column. First one is available that is called as column. Right. Dashboard objects is useful to organize reports, KPIs, scorecards, dashboard prompts. We have below dashboard objects are available. Okay. And as I said earlier, these three things, whatever available, this is what's new in 11G, new in 11G, new in 11G. This also what's new in 11G. This also what's new in 11G. Now we have here first one that is called as column. First one that is called as column. Column is a biggest object in the dashboard page. Column is the biggest object in the dashboard page. It is useful to organize reports vertically or horizontally within dashboard page. Vertically or horizontally within dashboard page. What is the meaning of that one? Suppose if I go here, let us say I am trying to click on run. Whenever I clicked on the run, then you can observe R1 report is coming here. R1 below what is coming, sir? R2 is coming. But what is my requirement is R1 right side I want to get R2. R1 right side I want to get R2. Then how I can do that? I can go for edit dashboard option here. Then what I can do is I can take one more column here. The one more column I can keep here like this horizontally. Whenever I kept here, you'll get here. Then I am trying to drag and drop into this one. Save it, run it. Now we are seeing what, sir? We are trying to see R1 left side, R2 right side. Even if you want better look and feel, what you can do is you can drag and drop the column like this. Then you can drag and drop this one here. Then save it and run it. Yes, now it is better look and feel, right? So if I change something here that is affecting what, sir? R1 and R2, both it is going to affect it. So whatever horizontally or vertically you want to organize your objects, horizontally or vertically if you want to organize your objects, you can organize very easily by using column, Okay, in the column nothing much to learn actually. If you go and see the column properties also, this was the column. If you go to the column properties, I have what's sir? Freeze columns, okay, and column properties. Freeze columns is nothing but if you go for the freeze columns, click on save, click on run, it is going to freeze the things. It means positions will be what's that? Fixed. Positions will be fixed. That is what the meaning of freeze the things. Now, if you go for next one that is called as column properties. In the column properties, we want to give horizontal alignment, background color, okay, wrap text, positions, this kind of things. Anything you want to set out, you can set out. Border colors, anything. Now, these are the some properties are available in the column properties. Now, let us move on to the third point which is available. With column object, we will get a collapse or expand button. What is the meaning of collapse or expand button is, if you go and see here, I am getting here one button, right? This is what called as collapse or expand button. Fine. Now, I am trying to edit the dashboard. Let us move on to the next one that is available called as section. So section is a biggest object in the column, sir. Section is a biggest object in the column. See, in the dashboard page, what is the biggest object, sir? Dashboard page biggest object is column. Inside the column biggest object is what, sir? Section. Inside the column biggest object is section. Now this section is useful to organize reports vertically or horizontally within the column. What is the meaning of that one? Suppose I don't want to use multiple columns, I don't want to use it. Then what you can do is, I can drag and drop report 1 and report 2, both the things I can drag and drop into where, sir? Single section I can drag and drop. If I click on save, click on run, now look and feel looks like this. Okay, report 1 and report 2 like this we are seeing. Now what I want is report 1 left side, report 2 right side I want. Then I can go back here, edit dashboard. Section properties are available. This is what the section. And here we have horizontal and what, sir? Vertical things are available. You can click on this horizontal. Then automatically click on. But one problem is there, sir. It is a browser issue or something. It is like that. Even though I click here horizontal, my designer mode is not showing as horizontal. Yes or no? This object has to come here, it has to stay here, but it's not staying like that. However, it is not showing here also, no worries. Okay, result we are getting properly. You are understanding my point? My designer mode, whenever I am developing, the developing page is not showing these two things are side by side like that. Even though it is not showing like that, if I run here, then I am getting what, sir? Horizontally I am getting it. So this is what the meaning of second point. It is useful to organize reports vertically or horizontally within the column. Next one, third point. We can provide permissions at section level. Fine. Process 2, one scenario I given here. What the scenario is? Process 2 hiding or showing sections based on permissions. Process 2 hiding or showing the sections based on what, sir? Permissions. Okay, let us say I have a user. That user is called as RRITech DB user is available. What is the user, sir? RRITech DB user is available. Providing permissions on user RRITech DB in such a way, R1 section is what, sir? Hidden. R1 report is what, sir? Hidden. For this user, I want R2 report but R1 report is what, sir? Should not visible to this guy. That's what my requirement. Okay, to achieve that requirement, what I can do is, let us say, first I need to create the user or not, sir? I need to create that user. I am going to the console, then log in here. I am trying to log in. Once you logged in, go to the security realms and my realms. Yeah. There we have the security realms. Then I am going to the my realm. Then users and groups. What is the user you want, sir? We want a user. Username is B198 RRITEC. Next what, sir? DB. RRITEC DB. Dashboard. Okay, dashboard we are trying to understand. So we are given RRITEC DB something. Okay, remember this user ID and go for the password. RR capital ITEC small 123. RR capital ITEC small 123. Click on OK. Now if you go normally here, user created. If you go normally here, sign out, sign in as WebLogic. Sorry, this user RR capital ITEC small 123. Now tell me, if you go to the dashboard here, whatever available B198 RR dashboard, both the things is seeing or not, sir? Both the things is seeing. Now what I want is I want to go and I want to give the controls like that. You should be able to see only one thing. I am going to the B198 RRITech dashboard, edit dashboard. So if I want to provide controls at a section level, you can provide the controls. For that, what I am trying to do workaround is, let us say I am taking one more section I am taking here. And this report 1 I am keeping in one section. Report 2 I am keeping in another section. Report 1 I am keeping one section. Report 2 I am keeping another section. It should be looks like this. Report 1 and report 2. Report 1 and report 2. Now what I am doing is edit this dashboard. Whenever the user is entered, you should not able to see what's sir? Report 1. That's what my goal. Go for the report 1 is available in which section? Section 2. Report 1 is available in section 2. Go to the section 2. Properties are available here. Section 2 properties. Guess it, which option is going to help you out, sir? Permissions option is going to help you out. Section 2 permissions we are going. Then I have here plus symbol. What is your username, sir? This is what your username. Then provide the user search. Try to move that one. What type of permissions you want to provide, sir? Grant or deny? Deny you want. Let us click on OK. Now for this user B198 RRITech DB, we are giving the permissions as deny. Click on OK. Now click on save. Click on run. We are as a WebLogic user, you should be able to see both the things. Yes or no, sir? He is seeing both the things. Now I am trying to sign out. I am trying to sign in as the user. This is what the user. RR capital, ITC small, 1, 2, 3. Then you can notice here, if you go to the dashboards, B198 RR Tech dashboard, what is available, sir? Only R2 is available, but R1 is not available. R1 is not available. This is how we can provide the permission. This is how we can provide the permissions. I hope this is not covered or covered in the notes, sir. Is it covered? Okay. The process is not covered in the notes. Please write this one in the notes. Process. Instead of process, I can say scenario. Scenario, hiding or showing sections based on permissions. Hiding or showing sections based on permissions. Hiding or showing sections based on permissions. Step 1. Create user RR Tech DB. Create user RR Tech DB. Step 2. Step 2. Providing permissions on user RR Tech DB in such a way R1 section is hidden. R1 section is hidden. Then first point. For online folks, I am trying to paste this one. For online folks, I am pasting this one. In the chat, you can find out the things. Right. For offline folks, please write this one. Edit the dashboard, RR Tech underscore dashboards. Click on R1 corresponding section properties. Click on R1 report corresponding section properties. Click on permissions. Click on permissions. Search and select the user. Search and select the user. Provide deny permission. Provide denied permissions. Provide denied permissions. Next, second point. Log out and log in as RR Tech DB user. Log out and log in as RR Tech DB user. Click on RR Tech dashboard. Click on RR Tech dashboard. Observe that R1 report is not available. Observe that R1 report is not available. Observe that R1 report is not available. R1 report is not available. That is the one scenario. Now, one more thing is available here, that's called as we can show our write sections based on what's that? Conditions. We can show our write sections based on conditions. What is the meaning of this one? See here, this I given an example also. If one particular report contains at least one record, then only show the section. What is the scenario? What is the requirement? If one particular report contains at least one record, then only show a section. Even though records are not there, I am showing no results in the report. Like that, a statement I am showing means it is not good. Okay, whenever records are available, show that one. If records are not available, then just hide that one. So that unnecessary, I don't have no results. That kind of message will not be there on my dashboard. In 10G, we will do this functionality by using what's a guided navigation. Guided navigation. Now, Process 2, conditionally hiding or showing sections. What is my requirement is here? This is what the requirement. If you go and observe this report carefully, I am taking customer name, key, customer name, sales representative, district, region, dollars. And I given filter on the dollars by saying dollars is less than 0. Dollars is less than 0 means what, sir? Negative. Dollars is less than 0 means what, sir? Negative. Now, what scenarios will get the negative business from the customer, sir? Customer means always is going to give some profit to the business. But there are some scenarios, because of some customers, you may get loss also. Could you please give some kind of examples? Suppose you are running one online store, you are running. Okay, you ordered for one t-shirt. Once it is reached to your home, you said like, okay, it is not fitting for my body. Okay, take this back. Because it is a cash on delivery, there is no chance for the business people to force you on this one, right? So what you will do, sir, will take back. But whatever courier charges are available, whatever transport charges are available, the transport charges will be loss for the business or not? Yes, that is the one scenario. Or if you say I have the return policy is available, let us say return policy within 1 month, if you are buying anything, I can return it. Okay, that is the return policy available. 1 month I use that one. Okay, and then I given the return that one. Let us say it is a camera. It is a camera. I used 1 month. I used it. With this 1 month of time, I used like anything. I used it. Because of that one, my lenses are somewhat weak or my chargings are somewhat weak. Something is happened. Those are things I have to sell again. Means I need to change that one. I need to sell or not, sir? Yes. That means that also one more loss or not? Yes. So what I would like to say is there are some scenarios you may have what, sir? Negative business because of the customer. What is my goal is here? Or we can find the goal here. What is the goal, sir? Whenever really I have the negative customers, show this report. If there is no negative customers, then don't show it. Like that I want. And one more scenario also is trying to help here, Amir. We can find the report about the sales rep who didn't have any sales. This is also good one. Okay. If I want as a sales manager, under whoever is reporting under me, 10 representatives are available. Every day I want a report. The report talks about what, sir? A sales representative who has no sales. Okay, that kind of report I want. Or who is not sold more than some particular amount. I can fix like that also. Minimum is what, sir? Every sales representative minimum, let us say 1,000 rupees sales he has to do. If any representative not did 1,000 rupees sales, then I can catch hold of that guy. It may be any scenario. Now really I have the records in that report, particular report, then show that one. If records are not available, then don't show it. That's what my situation. How we can achieve that one is we are developing one report. This is what the report we develop. Second is integrating into the dashboard. We created a dashboard, drag and drop above report into work area. Step 3, implementing conditional hiding. Click on section properties, then conditions, select analysis, click on browse, select above report, click on OK, test the results by running what's a dashboard. Let us go and try to do one by one. Okay, I am going for reporting end here. First I want to develop a report. Let us say sign out. Sign in as WebLogic user. Go to the new, then analysis, supplier sales. I am taking a column. That column is called as customer column. Then I am taking customer phone, customer address, customer representative. Then I am taking that guy dollars. And dollars is I am taking as filter. Filter is less than 0. Click on OK, click on results. I have 3 customers are available who are giving negative business to me. One guy is giving -40, one guy is giving -21, one guy is giving -16. Now this one I am trying to save it. I am saving into your folder B190 with the name of negative business customers contact details. I have here inside this one phone number and address is available. I can call them and I can send a letter to them, something like that. Okay, now this report I want to show to my business user in the dashboard. So go to your dashboard, B198 RRA Tech dashboard. Then I want to edit this dashboard. Then I want to drag and drop. B198 this report, whatever available, I want to drag and drop. Let us say I am trying to drag and drop here. Okay, now click on save, click on run. We are seeing here native business customers contact details. We are seeing it. Now I want to show this section really how the native customers are available. I want to show it. If native customers are not available, then I don't want to show it. Then I need to use here one thing that is called as, this is available in a separate section called as what, sir? Section 2. In section 2, you can go and you can click on this properties. In the properties, we have what, sir? Condition. If I click on the condition, it is asking what condition you want to create it. I want to create new condition. Then it is asking you want to create the condition based on analysis or based on the KPI. Based on the analysis only. Click on the browse. My report is what, sir? My report is available here. That is called as native business report. What is your condition? Native business report. What is your condition, sir? This report true if row count is greater than 0. If I have the row count is greater than 0 in this report, then say as what, sir? True, and show that one. If row count is greater than 0 is false, then what, sir? Hide that one. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now click on save, click on run. In my case, this is more than what, sir? More than 0. That is the reason we are seeing this one. Suppose I am running very huge business I am running, sir. In my business, it is very common getting a daily 3 or 4 or 5 returns is very common. Okay, because I am running big business I am running. Then what I decide is, if I got 10 returns, then consider as an escalation. If I got what, sir? 10 customers given the products return, then treat that as a escalation. Otherwise, don't show that data to me. Okay, 1 or 2 things are every day we'll get it. We need not take care about it. Okay, something problem, maybe customer side something is happened. If I got minimum what, sir? 10 records we got, then only show here. Otherwise, don't show it. That's what my goal. Where I need to go and I need to change it, sir? I need to change the condition. Let us go and try to change the condition. Section 2, condition. Existing condition only I want to change it. Go for edit condition. And what I want to keep here? You want to keep here more than 10 records are available, then only show it to me. Otherwise, don't show it to me. Click on OK. As for our result, you know already. If I click on save, click on run, will I able to see that report or not able to see it, sir? We are not able to see that report. If you observe here, do I have that report? No. So this is how, if you want, you can show the section. If you don't want, you can hide the section. This is what called as, based on the condition, we are showing or hiding section. Now tell me, section we can show or hide in how many ways, sir? 2 ways. One is based on permissions. Second is based on conditions. That's what the third point and fourth point I given in the notes. If you go and see third point is what, sir? We can provide permissions at section level. And fourth point is we can show or hide sections based on conditions. Conditions exercise is available in the notes also, right? Next one. Condition question is here, Srikanth asking, condition option is working only based on the record count. That is correct. Condition option is going to work only based on the record count. Now see here, condition you are putting on top of report or not, sir? If you want anything else, you want to configure in the report level. If you want to provide some kind of filters or whatever you want to do, configure in the filter level. You understand my point, right? If the region is equal to central, then configure region is equal to central, that count is greater than 0, then show you like that. You are understanding my point, right? Okay. But as of now, condition is working based on what, sir? Row count only. Okay. Let us move on to some other properties are available at the same section level. Let us cover those all properties also. In the section level, if you go and see here, we understand now condition. We understand what, sir? Permissions we understand. Let us go for the format the section. If you want to format the section, background colors or horizontal, whatever you want to do, you can do here. Next one. Next one is available. Next is what, sir? Rename. By default, what you are seeing sections are section 2. If you want to rename with the something else, you can go ahead and you can rename with the something else, so that it will be near to our designing. Okay, these all are sales reports. These all are finance reports. These all are top 10 customers reports, like that. Whatever you want, you can rename it. That's what the section renaming. Then drill in place. If I select a drill in place, then customer can drill the things also. Okay. Now I'm going back. Let us say I'm trying to click on the central. Then what happens, sir? Central and save step like this we got here. Okay, right. Now if I go here, edit dashboard, then which one I did previously? Drill in place I selected for this one. Section. Okay, this one I clicked on it. No, right? This one I clicked on it. Save it. Click on once again. Let me try it. I clicked on what, sir? Central. Then we got here sales step. See here. What you need to observe is, let me do one more time from beginning. I think I made some confusions here. Let us say I have a report here. That report is called as That report is called as report 1. Let me take the report 1. I am trying to explain what is the meaning of drill in place. I am trying to explain. Click on save. Report 1 I am trying to observe. What I am trying to observe, sir? Report 1 I am trying to observe. If you go for the edit here, section level, I have here properties. There I have drill in place. Drill in place I am not selecting. Then I am going for save and click on run. Now if I click on the district, what is happening, sir? It is going to altogether new page it is going. Yes or no? Altogether new page it is going. In the new page is showing central, district and representative and dollars. But I don't want new page. In the same page I want what, sir? It has to show next column. In the same page it has to show next column. In that cases, what you can do is you can go back to the edit dashboard, R1 report corresponding section, drill in place. In place means what, sir? In the same place, drill it. Click on save, click on run. Now I am trying to click on district, Gulf. Then you can observe other things are all available. Yes or no, sir? In the same place it is trying to drilling. In the same place it is trying to drilling. That is what the meaning of in place. This kind of look and feel is really expecting by some of the reports. They don't want to go for some other page. They want to go for, sir, same page. Now let us move on to the next one, edit dashboard. Then next property. We understand drill in place. Collapsible, already people are aware of it, right? If I disable this collapsible, then what is happening? Save, click on run. Then do I got here any option? This kind of option we got here, sir? No. Always it is fixed. There is no freedom to user. If you want to collapse this one, you cannot collapse it. That's what the meaning of collapse. That option is very easy option. I need not explain much. Then collapsible is normally by default it is enabled. Then next is what, sir? Show section header. If I select that one, click on save, click on run, then this is what the section. Show section header. Before that I am giving some name. And also I am creating some kind of size. Okay, save, click on run. The pen is not reflecting. Now it is reflecting. Show section title which is reflecting. Show section header means what here? Okay, this is the only one option. Keep this one side, sir. So section header. So section header. Even I didn't get answer for this one. Okay, it is not work. It is not clear about this option is not clear even for me also. Okay, show section title means what's the title it is showing here. So section header means what is the header meaning? I am not sure. Okay, it might be simple property only. It is a simple property only. Am I clear? Now whatever options are available here, everything you are aware of or not, sir? We understand what you mean by condition. We understand what you mean by permissions, format sections, rename, drill in place, then collapsible, then show section header, then show section title, show section title. Okay, right. Section header, creating 18 dashboard, changing properties of dashboard, containing pages dashboards, show all buttons, properties, conditions, permissions, drill in place, show section header. What is the meaning, sir? Use this option to specify whether to display the header for this section, which initially includes the title of the section. You can hide the title using the show section title option. This is keep side. Use this section to specify what's the whether to display the header for this section, which initially includes the title of the section. What is the header? Still I am not clear. After I reading this also I am not clear. Let us say saving this one, click on run. Title is coming, that is okay, but what is the meaning of header? What is trying to say here? Let me delete this one. Okay, save it, run it. What is happening? Nothing is happening, right? Okay. Something is trying to tell over there. Okay, we are not sure. Let us say that is not required also, sir. Showing section title is enough for us. Showing section title is enough for us. Let us move on to the next one that is called as link or image. Link or image. So it is useful to navigate from one dashboard to another dashboard, one dashboard to another dashboard, or one dashboard to another report, one dashboard to another web page. These are the three options whatever available using link or image. We can navigate from one dashboard to another dashboard. We can navigate one dashboard to another report. We can navigate from one dashboard to another web page. Process. Let us go and try to do the same process. Suppose first one I want to achieve one dashboard to another dashboard, how to navigate. I have here multiple dashboards are available. Let us say B198 RRI Tech dashboard is available, and one more thing is what, sir? B198 also available. I want to navigate from this to this. I want to navigate. Then what I want to do is go to the edit dashboard. There I am trying to drag and drop. I am creating one separate page. It is a fourth page I am creating, or I am trying to understand. The same thing, how to rename this. 3, 4, 5 is available, right? 3 whatever available, I want to rename something else as we are understanding dashboard objects, right? I want to rename 3 as dashboard objects understanding. How to rename the page? How to rename the page, sir? Go for dashboard properties. Then we have here one option that is called as third option. There I have one option that is called as what's that? Rename option. Then give your name as dashboard objects understanding. Click on OK. Now click on close it. Then I am trying to drag and drop link or image here. Right, link or image, whenever I dragged and dropped, automatically I got one more object also that is called as what, sir? Section. On top of section, one more thing is available, what, sir? Column. Now I am going to the link or image properties, that is XYZ. That is asking caption. Whatever caption you want, you can give it. Okay, navigate to which dashboard, sir? B198 dashboard. Now you want to go for analysis or dashboard, or you want to go to the web page, sir? You want to go to the analysis or dashboard. Then click on this browse. Your dashboard is available here. Let us go to the dashboards. There I have the B198 dashboard is available. Select any other dashboard. B198 is selected. Then click on OK. Then click on save. Click on run. Now you can see here, navigate to B198 dashboard. We got one hyperlink we got. If I click on this hyperlink, then you can observe Then you can observe we are able to navigate to the B198 dashboard or not, sir? We are able to navigate to the B198 dashboard. B198 dashboard. So we are able to navigate from one dashboard page towards, sir, another dashboard page. We are able to navigate. Let me go for edit dashboard again. Then I want to observe some other properties. Here I have one option. That option is called as what, sir? Image. What is the image is doing here? If I want to navigate based on the image, I can navigate based on the image also. Fmap, then images, then slash. Then people are aware of it already where the image location is available, right? If you go for the C drive, then go for OBI home, then instance, Oracle BA1, then BA foundation, then web, then app, res, s underscore BLAFP, then here images somewhere. Images. Suppose I want to show this kind of image. I want to show. Let us take that image, and I want to provide that image here. Click on OK. Click on Save. Click on Run. Now we are seeing what, sir? Even image also we are seeing. Suppose you don't want any caption. Just directly I want to show the image only. I want to show it. You can go and you can show like that only. Suppose I remove entire this caption. Click on OK. Click on Save. Click on Run. They are seeing what, sir? Only image. In the bottom of the web page, you used to see Facebook means F. Okay, Google Plus means G Plus, like that. G Plus is one small image or not, sir? F is one small image or not, sir? If I click on the F image, it is invoking one URL backend. It is triggering what, sir? One URL. Same kind of job here also it is doing. If I click on this one, this is going to invoke here B198 corresponding URL, whatever available, the URL it is opening. Okay, that kind of look and feel if you want to organize, you can go ahead and you can organize it. You can go ahead and you can organize it. Fine, that point is very clear. That point is very clear. Let us move on to the next one. Next one. I have here analysis means what, sir? If you want to navigate to one report means you can navigate to one report also. Suppose I have here, let us say R1 report is available. I want to navigate to the R1 report. Save, run it. Then if I click on this one, it is going to where, sir? R1 report it is opening. Instead of going for one dashboard to another dashboard, we are navigating from one dashboard towards, sir, another report we are navigating. One dashboard to another report we are navigating. Suppose if you want to do one more thing that is available based on the web page. I mean to say dashboard to web page you want to navigate. Dashboard to web page you want to navigate. Then I can select what, sir? URL. The URL is, whenever we are providing the URL, I give one note point. Observe the note point here. The URL syntax should be what, sir? http://google.com. Similarly, I am providing here http:// okay, let us say OBIA gurus.blogspot.in. Now I am trying to click on OK, then click on Save, click on Run. Then I am trying to click on this one. Immediately we are going to get here OBIA gurus blogspot.in we got. So in this way we can navigate from one dashboard towards another web page we are navigating. One dashboard to another web page we are navigating. Am I clear? Right. Let us move on to the back. Next is what, sir? Embed content. I hope you understand link or image what it is doing, right? Based on the link or based on the image, you can navigate it. From where to where you can navigate, sir? Source is your dashboard. Destination is, it may be other dashboard. It may be what, sir? Other report. It may be what, sir? Other web page. And here one more point. Let us say in my dashboard, I have 30 pages are available. So how many pages? 30 pages are available. And 30 pages if you go and show here like this, 30 pages if you go and show here like this, if I am showing means I need to scroll there, right, scroll right, like that it has to go, right? But it's not recommended also. What I want to do is, I want to show here only one page I want to show. And page 2, these all things I want to show as links here. How I can show that one? Let me go on show that one, edit dashboard. That means what, sir? Within that dashboard, we are moving from one page towards another page. Within that dashboard, we are moving one page to another page. I am going to the edit here. Then whenever you are clicking on the analysis or dashboard browse, I want to navigate towards sir B198, then dashboards. In that one, in the same dashboard, I want to go to where sir? Page 2 you want to go. Then you can select what sir? Page 2. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on save. Okay, click on run. Actually, page 2 is appearing here means it's not looking good, right? What I will do is I will hide that one. What I can do is this page 2 I want to hide it. How I can hide sir? Dashboard properties. Dashboard properties, once you go here, there page 2 is what sir? Hide option is available. I am hiding it. I am hiding it so that it will not be available. Dashboard properties, then I am trying to hide here. Bottom we should have the OK button. Let me do one thing. Properties, I am trying my resolution problem sir. What I am doing is I am trying to reduce the resolution. Then I am going to the browser. Still I am not getting. Yeah. This, our online folks are able to see in the bottom OK button is available for me. In the bottom we have the OK button. Are you able to see it? Oh, you're not able to see it? See this one, my circle, you are able to see it? I think my GoToMeeting is not recognizing bottom. Okay, I understand this one. So it is not allowing me to write the things. Okay. Some issue is there, sir, here. In the bottom, OK is there. Okay, see in the laptops later point of time. My GoToMeeting is not recognizing in the bottom place. That is the reason I am not able to color also on the bottom. Whenever I am keeping outside, is not taking that one. Okay. Let us say I am trying to click on OK as of now. Let us say go for save it. Then go for run it. Then you can see here what is available, sir. Page 2 is available or not available? Page 2 is not available. If I click on this one, then it is going to the page 2. This is the page 2. In the page 2 we have R3 report. Yes or no, sir? Yesterday in the page 2 only we kept what, sir? R3 report we kept. That is the reason we are able to see the R3 report. We are able to see the R3 report. Okay, that much is very clear for us. That much is very clear for us. So if people understand, you can navigate from within the dashboard. We can navigate within the dashboard. One page towards another page also you can navigate. Another page also you can navigate. Now let us move on to the next one that is called as embedded content. Embedded content. It is useful to insert one web page into another web page. It is useful to get latest information from any website to the dashboard. For example, let us say I am going to the Yahoo. I am going to the Yahoo Finance. I am going Yahoo Finance ORCL. In this one, I can observe. In this one, I can observe the the share market value of the ORCL company. Yes or no, sir? The share market value of the ORCL company. Now, this area, whatever available, this area I want to integrate into my dashboard. Because here I will get all the live updates. I will get. Yes or no, sir? These live updates I need to build from scratch into my reporting, and means I need to do a lot of hard work. Instead of doing that much of hard work, what I can do, sir, I can integrate this one over there. Anyhow, it is a social website only. He is not going to charge anything for this. Okay. So what I thought is, why can't I can integrate it? I take in this URL, Control C. Then I am going to our dashboard, edit this dashboard. Then drag and drop embedded content. In the embedded content properties I am going. Then it is asking what is the URL you want to embed here. I am providing the embedded URL here. Then you can fix here width and height, you can fix here. And if you want to hide the scroll bar, you don't want to hide the scroll bar, you can fix here. Click on OK, click on save, click on run. Now you can observe here, I am seeing what, sir? Yahoo Finance, you are seeing. You can fix the width and height in such a way it is available only what, sir? This part is available like that, you can fix it. Okay. This is what the advantage of embedded content. If you want to integrate one web page into another web page, you can integrate it very easily. Very easily. Next one, test object. It is useful to provide some comment lines in the dashboard. Any type of comment line if you want to provide, you can provide it using this one. It is also accept scripts. If you want to get extra functionalities, you can write the JavaScript and you can get the extra functionalities. Okay, let us go and try to understand this one. I am going to the edit dashboard, then drag and drop the test option, whatever available. I am trying to drag and drop here. I drag and drop. In the test I am trying to edit here. Let us say I am writing here, welcome to RRITEC. Click on OK, click on save, click on run. In the bottom we are able to see welcome to RRITEC. Suppose if you go and see here, it is also accepting a script. The script is what, sir? HTML script. Here one common requirement we used to do in 10G, sir. In 10G we used to do common requirement. What is the common requirement is, if you go and see the page 1, in page 1 I have one prompt is available here. Yes or no, sir? In the prompt, like this prompts I have, let us say 10 prompts are available. How many prompts are available? Like this prompts, 10 prompts are available. 10 prompts are available. I selected whatever I like the values I selected. Let us say I selected here central, I selected here district, something I selected. Thereafter I thought like I want to clear all the things one time and I want to start again from beginning. I analyze in one way. Then I want to do what, sir? I want to clear all the prompts and I want to select something else and I want to analyze it. Then I am expecting what, sir? I am expecting this kind of button I am expecting. What is the option, sir? Clear all prompts. And what, sir? Reset to the default values or reset to what, sir? Last applied values. Whatever I take in the last, those things I want to see it. These are the 3 options whatever available here. But these 3 options, even reset button itself is not available in case of OBW 10G. But this requirement is there in 10G also. I want to clear all the prompts, or I want to see the default values, reset to the default values, or I want to go towards the last applied values. This requirement is available in 10G also. How you used to achieve? That is what I am trying to say is something extra functionality we are expecting which is not available, right? In case of 10G, this button is not available, but this kind of button we are expecting over there. In that moment, what you can do is you can write here some extra JavaScript you can write or XML script you can write and you can get that one. See here, I written some HTML script. Okay, the script what it is doing is getting one option, what, sir? Clear button it is giving. If I click on this clear button, automatically clear all the prompts. This one, how I got here is, I searched in the Google and I got it, sir. I am not professional in the HTML. As a BA, business intelligence guy, you may not be knowing many things in the HTML. Yes or no, sir? You may be knowing a bit of things only. That is enough for us. If you, whatever requirement you want, you can go and you can search in the Google, you can get that one. And moreover, this kind of customizations you may need to do. How much of percentage you may be doing, sir? Hardly I can say 1% we are doing means that is too much we are doing actually. Remaining 99% what, sir? Whatever you given the options, that only will try to utilize it. Okay, and Oracle guy also realizes from one version to another version, for whatever options purpose these guys are writing the customizations, that options will try to incorporate in the next version. Yes or no, sir? In case of 10G, understand, okay, this each and every prompt is expecting clear all button. Why can't I can incorporate as a pre-built option? Incorporate in the 11G, yes or no? Right. So in any project, more than 1%, there will not be any customization, sir. Some projects are available. If you follow the best practices, 0% only will have the customizations. Why I am saying as a best practice, don't use this customizations is, if you use this kind of customizations, whenever you are migrating product from one version to another version, the migration tool developed by Oracle guy will take whatever code he has, that code only will take the consideration and will migrate it. Whatever code you retain, that code you will not migrate. That kind of reports, again, you need to redevelop it. That kind of thing you need to redevelop it. This is what the biggest headache. Maintenance of the product is a bit difficult if I have the code. If I use the inbuilt option, the maintenance of the product is what, sir? Very easy. That is the reason as a best practice to get the maintenance work cheaper, you need to go for what, sir? Inbuilt codes only, try to utilize it. Okay. The next one is available, that is called as what, sir? Folder. Folder is useful to integrate already your developed reports, you can integrate here. I mean to say, I am trying to drag and drop the folder into here. Then go for folder, click on edit. Then I am browsing, I am selecting, let us say, shared folder. Okay, okay, save, click on run. Now you can see in the bottom, where I did, sir? Okay, here I did. In the page 1, I did here. So we have what's that? Shared folders. If I expand the shared folders, we are able to see all the folders. If I expand this B190 folder, we are able to see all the reports. If I want to see the report to output, I can click on the report to and I can see it. It's kind of bookshelf. Okay, we can click on whatever you want. You can click and we can see the output. Okay, that kind of arrangement, if you want to do, you can do it using this folder. Next one, exercise. Please develop sample applied dashboard Xerox copy. One exercise I given here, the exercise is called as sample applied dashboard Xerox copy. I request some of the online folks to reload our servers with the sample applied and sample applied web catalog. Amir, I am giving control to you. Give keyboard and mouse control. I gave it. Go to the enterprise manager, sir. Go to the enterprise manager. WebLogic, login. Amir, you there? Yeah. Try to go to the deployment. Click on the core application. Deployment. Deployment. Click on browse and load the sample applied. Lock and write configuration. So I am going to give one exercise, sir. This exercise is mandatory for all the people. Okay. Click on browse. Then select here sample applied. Yeah, first one. Open. Provide the password as this is developed by Oracle guy, sir. This is developed by Oracle guy. Oracle guy, whatever he develops, the password is admin123. In that one, A is capital. Admin123. The sample applied I got at the time of installation. I got it. So admin123. One moment. I want to load here catalog also. Corresponding catalog I want to load it. The corresponding catalog name is sample applied only. The catalog name also. Already sample applied only available here. That's good. Sample applied only is available. That is good. Now I can go for the apply. Click on activate changes. Then go for availability tab. I want to restart here Oracle BI server. I want to restart. Why? Because already sample applied is available. I didn't change the catalog. So Oracle BI presentation server is not required. Click on close. I am selecting your BA server. Restart selected. Click on S. Then So meanwhile write this line whatever available. Exercise. Meanwhile write this line. Exercise. Please develop sample applied dashboard Xerox copy. Exercise. Please develop sample applied dashboard Xerox copy. Please develop sample applied dashboard Xerox copy. You have to restart Surinder. There is no other go. Whenever you are changing the RPD, there is no other go. You need to restart your Oracle base server. Yes, other users are not affecting means other users will affect. We need to intimate them. I am going to restart it. Okay, please stop your works. I am going to restart it. Like that, you need to intimate them. Right. But this many times restarting maybe happens in the development environment only, not the production. Right. In the production we may be doing the deployment monthly once or 2 months once like that. Okay. Anyhow, I am going to the reporting end. Let us say I have here quick start dashboard is available. If I go to the overview, right. If you see here in the overview tab, I have, this is what the one dashboard that is called as what, sir? Quick start dashboard. Quick start dashboard, did you create it? No, who created, sir? Oracle guy created. At the time of installation it came. It is available as part of the sample applied RPD and what's our catalog. It is available in the catalog, but this catalog source is RPD is sample applied RPD. This catalog is developed based on what's our sample applied RPD is developed. So if you want to see this report properly means you need to load sample applied RPD as well as sample applied catalog also. Sample applied catalog also. Now what is our goal is here I have this side is available here. Then what's our products, hierarchy, organization, office. These 4 things are called as dashboard prompts or not, sir? Dashboard prompts. How to create this kind of dashboard prompt? We need to think about it. If you don't know how to do it also, what way you can do it is, let us say I am going to the another page, also analytics page I am taking. I am creating one new dashboard page, one new dashboard I am creating. What we are trying to do, sir? Whatever quick start dashboard is available. The dashboard what you are creating, sir? Xerox copy you are creating it. The quick start dashboard Xerox copy you are creating it. Click on OK. Now what is given here? First one you want what, sir? This kind of look and feel you want. How to develop this one? How to develop this one? Or as the first button is available. It's called what, sir? Readme is available. How to develop this one? So create one page here. Create one page I want here. The page name is what, sir? Readme. How to change this one? Go to the dashboard properties. There go for select here. Then go for Readme. Click on OK. Close this one. Okay. Now I did it. Now I want here this kind of look and feel I want, right? This total matter I want. How he did it? If you don't know how to do this one, try to understand how he did. How we come to understand, sir? Click on edit this dashboard. This was the Readme page. Under that one column is available, section is available. There what, sir? Test is available. Inside the test, what he written, sir? Some kind of script he written or not, sir? Some kind of bolding, these all things are available. Take this total code and try to understand by pasting in the notepad. If you see one by one line, surely come to understand, sir, what is doing. Because HTML tags, sir, HTML tags, you may not be able to write your own, but someone is given the code, you will be in a position to understand the code. Our education is enough for that one. Your BTECs or MCS, whatever you did, that education is enough to understand the HTML tags at least. You got my point, right? Try to understand that one by one line. Once your understanding is completed, go and try to incorporate the same thing here. And if you want to do any customizations further also, you can do the customizations further. Okay, now click on the save, click on run. We are able to do it or not, sir? Okay, something is missed out here. What is that? I missed here. Contains what, sir? HTML markup language. Click on OK, save it, run it. Now we are able to see the same thing. Next, I want here one more page. What is the page, sir? Second page. Second page is overview. Second page is overview. Let us go and try to create the same thing. Second page as overview. Add it, overview. Click on OK. In this overview page, I am expecting what, sir? I am expecting here one dashboard prompt. I am expecting this for the dashboard prompt. How we develop this dashboard prompt? I want to understand. Go here and try to edit this dashboard prompt. Edit it. Then you come to understand. You take what, sir? Here, product hierarchy, organization, office. You also take this one and try to apply it. And save this one as whatever name is suggested. That name only save it. But don't override the existing thing. Try to save in the separate folder or save with your batch number as a prefixed. Your batch number as the prefixed. You got my point? Right. These are the things what you need to do. So don't focus to complete today itself. Okay. Don't worry to complete today itself. It is going. Even I am sitting. I am working also. I too require minimum 15 to 20 hours of the work is required here. 15 to 20 hours of the work is required. So don't try to don't worry about, okay, I'm not able to finish this one, I'm not able to finish this one. Daily only target is 1 or 2 reports is our target. That's it. 1 or 2 reports only our target. Total this dashboard is we need to complete at the end of our course, sir. At the end of our course. That means 1 month time is available. You can complete it meanwhile that one. Am I clear? But daily you need to touch this one and you need to observe what they are doing here. Thank you.